Okay, how to add bleed to a file before we print? Double click the file. You see the size here. So you see the size here. 210 by 297. This is exactly A4. When the customer want A4 size with a green background here without any white space, that is not possible to print straight away and get that. So what we need is extra space here, right, to add bleed, extend this background so you can print and cut away the extra space. You'll get exactly A4 without any white space around. Okay, so how to do that? You open the file, right click the file, right click the file, open with Photoshop. Okay, it shows the file has several pages. You have 16 pages here, but only one is selected here, one of 16. But we are interested to open all pages. So what you do, one is already selected. You scroll down, press and hold shift key and click on number 16. So all 16 pages are selected. Okay. Next point you need to note is crop to art box, crop to media box. All this will change the parameters here. So we always work with millimeter. You see 209. But fortunately, this file is having all trim box, art box, bleed box, all same dimension. So easy for us. Okay. So you take media box.
But I need bleed box.
If you take bleed box also, there is no bleed in the original file, so you don't get it. Okay. Then you make sure this is this is ticked. And then resolution 300. This one mode of color is CMYK. Then click OK. So it will do what it will do. It will open a lot of pages. All the 16 pages will be open. Okay, you see my finger right in the video. Okay. We take one of the file. I'll show you how to do it. Page number 1. You see this is the original one, right? You can see here the image. Click the image, and then the mode is CMYK. Must be CMYK. Image size, this is what we need, 210 by 296. But we need to add bleed. How to add bleed? We have to go image again, click canvas, make sure that this is untick, relatives untick is centralized here. Then you change this to a millimeter +6. Sometimes we do +6, sometimes we do +10. For this job, we only do +6. Okay, so what will happen is, whatever the plus you put, it will divide equally. See, divide equally up and down, left and right. You see what happens here? You see, there is extra space coming. Show me. Okay, next, how to fill up this with the background. So there is a selection box here. You click on this part here and select together with the existing image background. Then you go to edit fill, content aware. Go here, content aware fill. Edit menu, show me the edit menu on top. Edit menu, under the edit menu you will see content fill. Okay, content aware fill. Okay, you see what it does is it shows you the sampling page here. All right. Okay, then you just click OK. Click OK. You see what happens now? Okay, nothing happening.
No.
Don't worry. The selection is still there. You can do Shift F5. Shift F5 also gives you content aware. A few options. We are interested in content aware. What does it mean? It takes the border that you have selected here and information you see now is green already. So next you go to the next corner here. All right. Then you save it as a PDF page. So now the new file will be with bleed. So when you save, when you come here, file save as, after you finish all 4 corners, right? You save it as a PDF and then you put here with bleed in front or at the back with bleed. Then you save the file. You do this all pages. All right.